Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Spicy Food 6972. Today we are going to make beef white stew. You can see that this is our final product, so please try this uniquely different recipe and I'm pretty sure you guys will all like it. For this recipe that we're going to cook today, you're going to need 2.5 cups of diced onions, 20 long cloves, 1.5 teaspoons of culmin, 50 black peppers, 3 bay leaves, 12 cardamons, 5 cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 17 dried red chili peppers, half cup of chopped garlic, half cup of chopped ginger, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1.5 kilograms of beef meat with bones, 7 green chili peppers, 2 star anise, half cup of cooking oil, and salt to taste. Keep in mind that all the masala that we're going to use today here are whole. They are not grinded into a paste or powder because this is a stew, and in this stew we're not going to do that to any one of our masalas. You're also going to need beef with bones because this is a stew. That's the preferred recommended kind of meat you're going to need. Start by turning on our stove to high heat. And we're going to put in our oil, followed by the onions. A teaspoon of salt into our extra rationed onions. We're going to put in our cinnamon, cardamom, and black peppers. We already put in our culmin and our long cloves, and we're going to give it a stir. And now we're going to put in our star anise, coriander, and our bay leaves. Our garlic is going in. Our ginger is going in. Been cooking our masala for 2 minutes and we're not going to brown it or cook it any further. It's just to get the smell out of the masala. And now we're going to put in our red dried chili peppers. Followed by the beef. Giving it all a good stir. So we have been roasting the meat for 5 minutes on medium-high heat so that the color changes and all the masala and everything mix all in together very well. And now we're going to put in our plain yogurt.
It's not sweet either.
It's not sweet, yes. And we're going to stir it. I've been cooking in the yogurt for 5 minutes now, for a total of 15 minutes since we started. And now we're going to put in a cup of water. And as you can see, everything's come to a boil. Now we have come to a boil with our meat after a total of 17 minutes. And we are going to put on our pressure cooker lid and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium-low heat.
Medium-low heat. We are going to cook 20 more minutes in the pressure cooker, then we come back.
20 minutes has finished since we have been cooking the meat, and we're going to turn off our stove and put it in the water, put the pressure cooker in the water, just so that the pressure cooker is cooling down faster. Open it up and see what it looks like inside. We put the stove up to medium-high heat now.
Yeah, we have to cook 12 more minutes.
Yeah, so we have to cook 12 more minutes, is what she said.
Without pressure.
Without the pressure cooker. So we're going to cook our meat for 12 more minutes because the meat is still watery, and we're going to dry it out. And our meat is also soft, so we're not going to have to cook it much further after that. Now is a good time to check the salt and make sure you have the proper amount of it. So as you can see, we have managed to get a lot of the water to dry up. And when you see the oil starting to float to the top of the curry and separate from the rest of the curry, that's when you know that a lot of the frying of the curry has happened. And right now we're going to add the green chili peppers so that it cooks with them. This is 5 minutes after we put in the green chilies, and you can see a lot of the water has condensed, it has dried. So we're done now.
Then you can see the oil is coming up and separated from the gravy. That means the stir is done. So we are done.
So there you guys have it. This was our beef white stew, and you can see that it was a very different and easy to make delicious beef stew recipe. Please let us know how this recipe went and how you liked it. And please enjoy this at home. Thank you.